In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward multiple email messages to a single recipient in Outlook. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along and get it done in just a couple of minutes. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website in the results. This will take you to Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account credentials. Once your inbox loads, you'll be ready to compose a new message. Look for the New Mail button near the top of the screen and click it. A compose window will open. In the To field, type the email address of the person you want to receive the messages. You can add a subject now as well, something like forwarded messages, to make it clear what you're sending. Here's the key part: forwarding multiple emails at once. With your new message open, keep your inbox visible so you can see your list of messages. Click once on an email you want to forward to highlight it. Now, click and drag that email directly into the message body area of the Compose window, then release. You'll see it appear as an attachment, typically as a .eml file. That means the recipient will be able to open it and see the original content, including headers and formatting. Repeat that process for every email you want to include. If you have several messages, you can select more than one at a time. Hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking individual emails to select them, or use Shift to select a range. Then drag the group into the message body in one move. They'll all attach together, saving you time. Once the emails are attached, consider adding a short note at the top of your message to explain what's included, such as dates or a quick summary. It helps the recipient know what to look for. Also, keep an eye on total attachment size. If you're attaching a lot of messages with large files, you may want to send them in smaller batches. That's all there is to it. You've opened Outlook on the web, started a new email, entered your recipient, and dragged the messages you want to forward right into the Compose window so they're attached and ready to share. It's a quick, reliable way to pass along multiple emails without copying and pasting content or forwarding them one by one. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly how to forward multiple email messages to a single recipient in Outlook.